Okay, so first came the Emmy Award-winning animated series, The Loud House, and then the live-action The Loud House Christmas movie, which was such a huge success that it spawned another series, The Really Loud House, starring the two ladies paying us a visit in person at the Pix 11 studio. Fans know them as Luann and Lucy Loud, and they're proof that talent does run in the family. Please welcome actresses, sisters, and New Jersey's very own Catherine and Aubin Bradley. Okay, so we have to start off by, since you guys are from New Jersey, we have siblings that are at home right now and some that are not.
Yes.
So for those who's at home now?
Well, our sister Alex is at home. Okay. Our brother, Obed and Colin are at boarding school right now. Oh. We have a very big family.
All right, so do you want to wave at the ones that are watching right now?
Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
See? All right, but did you see them before leaving this morning?
Yes, we did. Our mom drove us here, sent us off into the building.
Oh my God, Mom is the best.
She really
the best.
Okay, so and you guys are from a Loud family on screen.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Oh, yeah, and at home.
And at home, really?
Yeah.
That's what I was going to ask. How loud are we talking? Because on screen, it's like, how many kids are you?
11.
11.
Yeah.
In real life, how many kids are you?
We are 5.
5 kids.
5 kids in real life. So you guys are where in the
Well, I'm the oldest sister.
I'm the youngest sister.
Yes.
I'm the youngest in the family also.
Yeah.
I want to be the youngest
I'm right in the middle.
All right, so let's talk about how loud this family is. Your TV family, not your real life family, right? Let's talk about how loud, because they're really loud.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we have 10 sisters in the family. I mean, there's so many different personalities. There's really, what you could say, a sister for everybody, right?
Yeah.
I play a comedian, Aubin.
I play, like, the goth girl, so I feel like it's really loud because, like, everybody watching at home can relate to a character in the show, which is so special.
It's great. It's great. Yeah. Everybody can watch it. Even the parents can watch it. I mean, there's a joke for all the little kids, and there's a joke for parents and other people.
And I'm glad you said you're the comedian and you're the one you spook people out. So I think this clip kind of pretty much sums it up. So let's take a look and then we'll discuss. Okay.
Step aside, Lincoln. This is a job for my gag flower. Does that thing even work? Okay then. And now it's out of water.
Where am I? What day is it today? I missed my half-birthday.
My dad loves his half-birthday.
The last thing I remember is coming into the kitchen to fix a late-night chocolate cake for my half-birthday, which I love.
Told you. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hello, Father.
Lucy scared the ding-ding.
Well, there you go. See, I said it. Need we say more? So how much fun are you having? Because you told me this, by the way, it's 8:53. What time is it on your time zone?
Well, I got up at 5 a.m., which is 3 a.m. for New Mexico, since that's where we film.
It is crazy. I mean, New Mexico, we love it so much. It's always sunny. Everybody goes out on the town. The whole fam gets together and goes to dinner all the time. It's so fun, but, you know, we got up very early.
From New Jersey, shooting in New Mexico.
Yes.
It's all things new. Like, so you said you were done with your Christmas shopping.
Yes, we are done with our Christmas shopping.
How does that work?
I mean,
it's a lot of gifts that you have to buy.
Yes.
A lot of gifts. I mean, we did a set Secret Santa, which was crazy because I think so many people got confused, which is really funny.
I think people like to talk over each other, so like we were like, okay, here's your thing, and they were like, what? Yeah. And then I really like to buy gifts, and so does Kat, so I think we did a good job.
Everyone is so amazing on our set. We are so blessed with the crew, from the directors, from the writers, to the cast. It's so much fun.
It's great.
And you get to see them in February. You
yes,
go back in February.
We do get to see them in February.
How does school work, though?
Well, we all have like some sort of like private tutor. That,
we all have tutors on set, so it's actually like the whole cast is in a schoolroom together, unless you're over 18. But it's loud, even in the schoolroom. I mean, the loudness never stops on the Loud House set.
Because everybody always needs like instruction, so then everybody's like talking over each other, like,
but we actually have midterms this week.
Well, yes, we do. We have midterms.
But we're skipping them right now.
No.
Well, see,
I took mine.
I'm not worried about you two, because you seem super smart.
Thank you.
Killing it in Hollywood, which is not easy at all to do, and still staying so grounded. And also, Here's what I was gonna ask. If you two are actors, or any of your other siblings in the business too?
Yes, our middle sister's in the business with us too. Yeah, she's great. We love her. She's awesome. I mean, we all started in theater. We all started. Aubin went on the national tour of Les Mis. Alex did the national tour of Sound of Music. I did Harry Potter on Broadway. It's been crazy. I mean, all of us being in the business.
Okay, so can someone bring my autograph book, please? I need to get autographs now. No, I'm not even joking. You ladies are just spectacular. Like, if I had your talent, I would not even be as composed as you. I'd be like, do not look me in the eye. Walk away. Clear the set. You guys came in so lovely.
Don't worry, I don't even have a signature.
You don't? No. Well, you can write your name.
Yeah.
Your first and last name.
It's probably I don't have like the best handwriting. I literally don't even have to jerkers because like, what if it looks bad?
No, it's fine. You don't need good handwriting when you have talent.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you.
I'm just saying, you don't need good handwriting. I have good handwriting, but have I toured with Les Mis? No.
You have talent. I was watching some of your clips. You're a good interview girl.
How do you know it's me? Maybe I have a twin. Maybe I have a big family like you guys.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. Okay, so the plan is for me to come to your house for Christmas. Are you going to be in Jersey for Christmas?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
You can come right over. I mean, we're going to throw a big, loud Christmas party.
I'm cooking
Christmas
with my
is
mom.
our favorite holiday. We love it, so please come.
Let me tell you.
You are welcome.
I feel like I'm connected to you guys because Loud is like my middle name here. If they say who's the loudest.
Yes. Yep. It's
I'll
okay.
fit
It's
right
perfect.
in.
We love it.
I'll fit right in. I'm just saying,
Yes.
Aubin, Catherine, so glad to have you here. Such a pleasure to meet you. Of course, an open invitation for us all to visit the Really Loud House Thursday nights on Nickelodeon.